Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove Apple ID from Apple Airtag. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So yeah guys, unfortunately you cannot really do it unless you remove the old Apple ID, unless the owner does it. However, what you can do is ask and request Apple support to do it for you. So you can just go to Apple App Store, search for Apple support, download this application, just click on get and it will start downloading this application, and then just select your problem properly and explain your problem properly, and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. And that's the only thing you can do, guys, realistically. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.